Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will draw this super easy illustration, and believe me, anyone can draw this, even a complete beginner on digital arts. So let's get started. Create a canvas. I'm going to use 1080 and 1920 pixels. You can also select one of the presets from here, or just the screen size from here. All other settings are as it is. If you want to use exactly the same color I use in this video, just paste the highlighted color hex right here. First, enable the grid tool, because Infinite Painter don't have alignment feature, so we'll disable the snapping. Now use the circle tool, and draw a circle in the middle using the fill brush. After that, enable the alpha lock and disable all the active tools, then use gradient tool on it, and select the highlighted color on it. Add this pink color in the middle and use the white color in the bottom. Create a clip layer and draw a small hill in the bottom. Use the basic transformation tool to adjust it, and fill the remaining part. Create another clip layer and draw a mountain on it. You can adjust your stroke by holding it after drawing the line. Create another clip layer and draw more mountains using different colors. Create one more mountain layer. After you're done, create a clip layer below the top hill layer and use the Thierry brush to draw the fog around the mountains. Keep it thick around the bottom part and light on the top. Now, skip one layer and create another clip layer, and draw more fog. Again, skip another layer and create more clip layers for fog. We'll do it for all the mountain layers. After you're done, create a clip layer in the bottom and draw some dark clouds. Now, select the mountain layers and add trees on it. This is a stamp brush. If you don't know how to make one, watch this video. I'll put the link in the description also. After that, create a layer on the top, draw some grasses in the bottom of the circle. Keep changing the direction of the strokes. Now, add small strokes until the bottom edge of the circle disappears. Create a clip layer on the top and draw a flower in the middle. After that, use the basic transformation tool and create multiple duplicates of the flower. Now, merge all the flower layer to the grass layer. Select the top hill layer and draw some grasses around the edges. I'll draw them longer around the left side and keep lowering its size until it reaches the tree. Now, select this black mountain layer and add a flock of birds. This is also a stamp brush again, link in the description. If you don't like the position, you can always change it using the basic transformation tool. Now, enable the alpha lock on the fog and cloud layers to change their colors. I'll highlight all the colors. Just keep the color thick in the bottom and lighter on the top. Before we move on, enable the alpha lock on the first hill layer and fix the grass color using the Monoline brush. Now, let's continue. On the last two fog layers, I'll keep the color super light and keep some of the whiteness visible. Now, let's make these dark clouds thicker and give it more shape. And also add some extra as well. Create a clip layer in the bottom and add the moon. After that, enable the alpha lock and add some color shades. Select the dark cloud layer again and make it more thick, until we stop seeing through it. Now enable the alpha lock and add some highlights on it. After you're done, create a layer above it and add some glow. Now, change this layer type to overlay and lower its opacity. Create another layer below the moon layer and add more glow and merge it back to the moon layer. Now, select the main layer and make sure Alpha Lock is enabled, and add more pink shade around the moon. Let's move the moon a little higher. Select the moon layer and use the transformation tool, then select the glow layer also. Create a clip layer in the bottom and add some stars in the sky. I guess I've reached the limit of the clip layer. So just unclip this star layer and move it to the top, duplicate it, and add the blur filter on it. After that, merge both star layers and put it back to its place and clip it. Now group all the layers just by pinching the top and bottom layer. Create a layer on the top and use the line tool to draw some falling stars. After that, duplicate this layer also and add the blur filter. Lastly, add some extra glow on the tip using the soft spray brush. Thanks for watching. Support this channel by hitting the like button, and subscribe for more videos like this. Follow me on Instagram also, link is in the description.